Hello, I was just sent this nail bond and remover set which comes with 10 of these little packages which are perfect for travel or when you're on the go. And if we can take a look here as to what's in each one of these packages. We have a sterile wipe, something for your cuticles, and a nice file which makes it easy for touch-ups, and then your bond and your remover. And the bond will last through showers and climate change, and it's just a really strong bond, and it makes it goes really well with this remover because you can then easily take it off to preserve your nails for a quick removal. I would open up my alcohol prep pad and clean off my surface, and then I would go through and push back all my cuticles using this tool here. You could scrape underneath if you had any stuff under there. Take your file, you could file down the surface and file on the top to shape your nails nice, which I love how it comes with this file because you could just throw this stuff all in your purse and it would be really nice. Okay, so I would take my bond, I would open this up and I would put it on my nail to secure my tip. And then if I ever needed to remove them, I would take my remover and just let it sit on there for 3 to 5 seconds and it comes right off. I'm very excited to use these and keep them with me as I travel.